look at this question from equation of motion. We have that a train has an initial velocity of 44 meter per second and an acceleration of minus 4 meter per second squared. Its velocity after 10 seconds is, meaning that you are asked to calculate the velocity. So in equations of motions, we have three equations of motion. We have the first one, V is equal to U plus AT. We also have distance is equal to UT plus half of AT squared. We also have V squared is equal to U squared plus 2AS. These are the equations of motion. So if any question from equation of motion is given to you, you will bring out the parameters and then cross-check them with any of the equations of motion so that you can pick the suitable equation and use it to solve. Like this one, a train has an initial velocity. Initial velocity is represented by U. The U is given to be 44 meter per second. An acceleration of, that is A, is minus 4 meter per second squared. Its velocity, that means they're asking for the velocity. The velocity is not given. The time is given to 10 seconds. So this is the parameters from this particular questions. We are going to use them to cross-check. So if you look at it carefully, you will see that the equation of motion that match this equation given is equation 1. So you're going to use that to solve it. You bring to equation 1. Equation 1 is V is equal to U plus AT. You are looking for V, which is the final velocity, is equal to your initial velocity is given to be 44 plus your acceleration is minus 4. Minus 4, close the bracket, and your time is 10. Close the bracket. So final velocity represented by V is equal to 44. Now minus 4 times 10, that is minus 40. So your final velocity is equal to 44 minus 40, which is 4 meters per second. So that is as simple as that. This is how to solve something of this. It's very simple. This is the final answer. The final velocity is 4 meters per second. So that is it. Let's this as from rest. A body starts from rest and accelerates uniformly at 5 meters per second squared until it obtains a velocity of 25 meters per second. Calculate the time taken to obtain this velocity. So you are going to look at it. In equation of motion, there are some language that you need to be acquainted with. When you hear that from rest, the initial velocity represented by U is equal to 0. When you see from rest, so the initial velocity is equal to 0 and it accelerates uniformly at 5 meters per second. 5 meters per second is the acceleration. 5 meters per second squared until it obtains a velocity of 25 meters per second. This is the final velocity, which is 25 meters per second. Then you are asked to calculate the time taken, T. time taken t. So the same thing, you are going to cross-check your equations of motion to see which one can be suitable for you to use as solve. If you look at our equation of motion 1, you see we have v, there's v there, we have u, there's also u, we have a, there's also a, and we have t. So we can use also the first equation of motion. So the first equation of motion, which is v is equal to u plus et. This time around, we're looking for the t. So the v is 25 is equal to, we have that the u is 0 plus a is 5. That is the acceleration. And your time is not given, t. So from here, we have that 25 is equal to 5t. From here, we divide both sides by the coefficient of t, which is 5 by 5. 5 cancel 5. 5 here, 1, 5 will come here 5 times. So 5 is equal to t. T is equal to 5. That is 5 seconds. The time here is 5 seconds. So that is how to calculate questions under equations of motion. We are going to consider other further examples again for more clarification. Thank you.